What is eastern separation? You're looking up at the night sky, and there's Mercury. But wait, how is that even possible when everyone says it's impossible to see? That's where eastern separation comes into play, and it's absolutely fascinating. When we talk about eastern separation, we're describing the angular distance between Mercury and the Sun as seen from Earth. Think of it like this: the Sun is your reference point, and Mercury appears to separate or move away from it in the eastern direction of the sky. This separation is measured in degrees, just like how you'd measure angles in geometry class. The maximum eastern separation is when Mercury reaches its greatest angular distance from the Sun while positioned to the east of it. During this time, Mercury becomes visible in the evening sky right after sunset, appearing as a bright star-like object low on the western horizon. This phenomenon happens because Mercury's orbit is inside Earth's orbit. So from our perspective, it appears to swing back and forth on either side of the Sun, like a pendulum. Eastern separation specifically means Mercury is trailing behind the Sun in its apparent motion across our sky. The beauty of maximum eastern separation is that it gives us the best opportunity to spot this elusive planet with our naked eyes. Without this separation, Mercury would be lost in the Sun's glare, making observation completely impossible for amateur stargazers.